Ford Bronco leak repairs. Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, United States. It was founded by Henry Ford and incorporated on June 16, 1903. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand, and luxury cars under its Lincoln Luxury brand. The company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and is controlled by the Ford family. They have minority ownership but the majority of the voting power. Servicing your Ford Bronco regularly is crucial to maintain its performance, reliability, and longevity, especially if you're planning on taking it off-road. Here are some key maintenance tasks to consider. Regular oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on driving conditions. Regular oil changes help keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly, which is especially important for off-road vehicles. Fluid checks and changes. Check and replace fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and differential fluid as needed. Proper fluid levels and quality are essential for the proper functioning of various vehicle systems, especially when navigating challenging terrain. Tire maintenance. Inspect your tires regularly for signs of wear, damage, and proper inflation. Rotate your tires at the recommended intervals to ensure even wear and extend tire life. Consider investing in all-terrain or off-road tires if you frequently take your Bronco off-road. Brake inspection and maintenance. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines, for signs of wear or damage. Replace worn brake components and flush the brake fluid as recommended to ensure optimal braking performance. Suspension and drivetrain maintenance. Inspect the suspension components, including shocks, struts, control arms, and sway bars, for signs of wear or damage. Also, check the drivetrain components, such as drive shafts, axles, and differential, for any abnormalities and address any issues promptly. Underbody inspection. Periodically inspect the underbody of your Bronco for signs of damage, rust, or debris accumulation, especially if you frequently drive off-road. Cleaning the underbody regularly can help prevent corrosion and prolong the life of your vehicle. Off-road equipment maintenance. If your Bronco is equipped with off-road accessories such as winches, skid plates, or auxiliary lighting, make sure to inspect and maintain them regularly to ensure they're in proper working condition when you need them most. Regular vehicle inspections. Schedule regular inspections of your Bronco to identify any potential issues early on and address them before they escalate into costly repairs. This includes checking for loose or damaged components, leaks, and abnormal noises or vibrations. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can keep your Ford Bronco running smoothly and ready for your next off-road adventure. Be sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual and consult with a qualified mechanic or dealership for any specific maintenance needs or concerns.